Welcome back to Honest Lies in Trading. Some traders are living a dangerous delusion, believing their strategy can foresee the market's every move. It's a perilous illusion, one that can lead to the downfall of even the most seasoned traders. Take Dave, for instance. Dave is your quintessential trader, always looking for the next big thing. He's a dreamer, and in his dreams, he's a master of the market. He's the trader who's found the holy grail of trading strategies, the one that can predict the unpredictable. In Dave's world, his strategy is his crystal ball. It's his guide through the twists and turns of the market, leading him towards the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. He believes that he's cracked the code, that he's unlocked the secrets of the market. But here's the thing about the market. It's a beast of its own kind. It doesn't dance to anyone's tune. It's not a puppet that can be controlled by a master puppeteer. It's a wild, unpredictable entity that thrives on chaos. Believing you can tame this beast with a single strategy is nothing short of delusional. It's a dangerous delusion that can lead to a catastrophic fall. It's like walking on a tightrope, blindfolded, without a safety net. One misstep and you're in for a free fall. Dave, like many others, fell into this trap. He thought he had it all figured out. He thought he was invincible, but the market had other plans. It's a cruel teacher. It gives the test first and the lesson afterward. And the lesson here is clear. No strategy is foolproof. No formula can predict the unpredictable. The market is a mystery that cannot be fully solved. It's a labyrinth with twists and turns at every corner. Dave believed he had cracked the code, a formula to predict the unpredictable. His strategy was his crystal ball, guiding him to riches. But all it led him to was a dangerous delusion, a delusion that cost him dearly, a delusion that serves as a stark reminder for all traders. The market is not a beast to be tamed, but a force to be reckoned with. But as we all know, the market giveth and taketh away. And this is something Dave learned the hard way. His strategy, which once seemed infallible, began to falter. The stock charts that once skyrocketed now plummeted, and with them Dave's fortune. The market, in its capricious nature, refused to follow Dave's predictions. His strategy, once a crystal ball guiding him to riches, became a cracked mirror, reflecting only his misplaced confidence. The market is a wild beast, and it does not take kindly to being tamed. Dave's trades, once a symphony of success, turned into a cacophony of failure. Each loss was a harsh note, resonating with the bitter truth that his strategy was not the magic formula he had believed it to be. The market is not a predictable melody, but a chaotic symphony. And Dave was out of tune. His euphoria faded into frustration and then into desperation. The market, once his playground, had become a battleground, and Dave was losing. His strategy, once his weapon, had turned into his shackles, binding him to his downfall. And then the unthinkable happened. The market crashed. The stocks that Dave had heavily invested in, trusting his flawed strategy, fell like dominoes. His portfolio, once a testament to his success, was now a graveyard of failed trades. Dave's confidence quickly turned into despair as the market laughed in his face. He had believed he could outsmart the market, control the uncontrollable. But here's the thing about markets. They're like a river, flowing in their own course, indifferent to the plans of those who dare to navigate them. The market doesn't care about your strategy, your predictions, or your confidence. It doesn't care about your hopes, your dreams, or your fears. It is an entity of its own, a force of nature, unpredictable and unyielding. And so Dave's downfall serves as a harsh lesson for all traders. A strategy is not a crystal ball. It cannot predict the future. It cannot control the market. The market is a beast, and it will not be tamed. Dave's confidence quickly turned into despair as the market laughed in his face. You see, the market doesn't dance to anyone's tune. Believing your strategy can predict the market's every twist and turn is a perilous illusion. It's a lie that can drain your pockets and break your spirit. Welcome back to the reality of trading. A world painted in shades of red and green. A world where the only constant is change. Now let's put aside the glitz and glamour of the trading world for a moment and delve into its harsh realities. No matter how foolproof your strategy might seem, it can never predict the market's every twist and turn. This market, this unpredictable beast, doesn't dance to anyone's tune. It's a world that's ever-changing, ever-evolving, and those who try to tame it with a rigid strategy often find themselves staring at the face of failure. In this realm, the only way to succeed is to adapt and evolve. Just like in nature, the species that survive aren't the strongest nor the most intelligent, but the ones most responsive to change. Flexibility is your shield, adaptability your weapon. When the market veers off course, you need to be quick on your feet, ready to adjust your sails. Because in this tumultuous sea of trading, those who cling to their strategy like a sinking ship often find themselves submerged in a sea of red. So, what does it mean to be adaptable in trading? It means being open to new information, new trends. It means constantly learning, constantly evolving. It means not being afraid to let go of old strategies that no longer serve you. It means having the courage to change course when the winds of the market shift. In the end, the market is a game of survival of the fittest. And in this game, the fittest are those who can adapt, those who can evolve, those who can navigate through the forest of uncertainty, shrouded in mist and filled with unseen dangers. So, as we venture deeper into the heart of trading, remember this. The market, my friends, is like a forest shrouded in mist, filled with unseen dangers. And in this forest, you must be the adaptable hunter. So, what's the remedy? First, you must accept the enigma of the market. No strategy is flawless. It's a jungle out there, filled with uncertainty and unpredictable turns. But here's the secret. You don't have to be a psychic to navigate this jungle successfully. What you need is a compass, and that compass is knowledge. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest trends, news, and market shifts. The more you know, the better you'll be at making informed decisions. Next, diversify your portfolio. Just as you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, don't put all your investments in one place. Spread them out. This way, if one investment takes a hit, the others can provide a safety net. Lastly, never stake more than you're willing to lose. You're not just betting on stocks, you're betting on your future, so be smart about it. Flexibility is your shield. When the market unleashes the unexpected, don't cling to your strategy like a sinking ship.